Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get HSN details in Tally Prime. Only ways. Open Tally Prime and go to Gateway of Tally, then select Masters and press F12 to enable detailed features. Next, open the Item Masters list and filter by relevant stock group to see HSN column populated and ready for export or review. Follow each step carefully to avoid missing codes or misclassification, and I will guide you through the export. Open Tally, Prime, and Access Company features, then press F11 or F12 to toggle statutory settings. Ensure goods and services tax features are enabled so HSN fields appear in Item Masters. Save settings and return to Gateway of Tally. If HSN still does not show, close and restart Tally Prime for the configuration to load properly. This step ensures the HSN details are visible and editable across your inventory records. Navigate to Inventory Info and then Item Masters, select the item to view its detailed screen, and locate the HSN/SAC field. Edit the field if required and press Accept to save. Use List of Items to bulk view HSN codes and apply filters by stock group to narrow results. Export the List via Export option to create a spreadsheet for verification or submission purposes, keeping records organized and compliant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.